Believe it or not, the carnivore diet, a regimen that includes only meat and animal products, is surging in popularity. This dietary trend isn't just a passing fad, it's a global phenomenon, sweeping across continents and making waves in the wellness world. From Hollywood A-listers to high-performance athletes, individuals are turning to this primal way of eating in droves, fueling their bodies with protein-packed meals that harken back to our ancestors. But it's not just the celebrity endorsement that's turning heads. This diet has sparked a fiery debate in health circles, polarizing opinions and stirring up a storm of controversy. Some hail it as the ultimate health hack, while others question its long-term implications. It's a dietary revolution that's stirring the pot and challenging conventional wisdom. But what does science have to say about the carnivore diet? Let's dive into a recent study from Harvard University. It all started at Harvard University with a team of researchers curious about the carnivore diet. This team, a group of dedicated individuals passionate about nutrition science, dared to probe deeper into the carnivore diet, a trend that was sweeping the globe. Their primary objective: to understand the effects and benefits of this all-meat diet on the human body. They set out with a clear goal in mind: to debunk myths and bring science-backed facts to the table. Their focus was not just on weight loss, but on overall health improvements. They wanted to investigate whether the carnivore diet could aid in managing chronic diseases, enhance cognitive functions, and improve overall well-being. These researchers weren't just interested in the what, they wanted to understand the why and how of it all. They were determined to uncover the mechanisms behind the purported benefits of this diet. Their journey was one of discovery, of challenging conventional wisdom, and of shedding light on the true potential of the carnivore diet. Now let's meet the study participants and learn about their diet choices. The Harvard study involved a diverse group of participants, all of whom were on the carnivore diet. This diet, as the name suggests, is all about eating meat and animal products. But who were these people, and why did they choose this particular path? Our participants were a mixed bag, spanning various age groups, professions, and backgrounds. Some were young professionals in their 20s and 30s, looking to boost their energy levels and overall performance. Others were middle-aged individuals seeking to lose weight and combat chronic diseases. And then there were seniors who wanted to enhance their vitality and longevity. The reasons they chose the carnivore diet were as diverse as they were. Some were drawn by the simplicity of eating only meat and animal products. Others were intrigued by anecdotal evidence of improved health and weight loss. For many, it was about breaking free from the cycle of dieting, yo-yo weight fluctuations, and the constant obsession with counting calories. So what did a day on the carnivore diet look like for our participants? Well, breakfast might have been a hearty plate of bacon and eggs, or perhaps a juicy steak. Lunch and dinner followed a similar pattern, with meals centered around beef, pork, lamb, or poultry, and occasionally fish. Alongside these, they consumed a range of animal products such as eggs, dairy, and bone broth. They drank water, tea, and coffee, but avoided sugary drinks and alcohol. One thing to note is that the carnivore diet isn't just about gorging on any meat. Our participants were careful to choose high-quality, preferably grass-fed or wild-caught sources. They also aimed for a balance of muscle meat and offal to ensure a wide range of nutrients. After all, this diet is about nourishing the body, not just filling the stomach. With the diet in full swing, the next step was to observe the results. And let me tell you, the outcomes were nothing short of astounding. But that's a story for the next scene. Stay tuned. What the Harvard researchers discovered was nothing short of astonishing. As the participants embraced a diet exclusively of meat and animal products, the outcomes were indeed remarkable. First on the list, let's talk about weight loss. A significant number of participants reported a noticeable decrease in their body weight. The pounds seemed to just melt away as they replaced their usual diet with one that was purely carnivorous. It's fascinating to consider that the simple act of eliminating plant-based foods could lead to such dramatic weight loss. But the benefits didn't stop there. The study also reported improved blood pressure among the participants. By sticking to a diet that's rich in protein and devoid of carbohydrates, they were able to maintain a healthier blood pressure. This is a striking discovery, especially considering the common perception that a diet high in meat could potentially lead to hypertension. Now, let's talk about the chronic diseases. Among those who were suffering from diabetes, many reported a significant improvement in their condition. The high-protein, zero-carb diet seemed to have a positive effect on their blood sugar levels, helping them manage their disease more effectively. Similarly, participants with heart disease also reported improvements. A diet that we might typically associate with heart problems was, in this case, contributing to heart health. It's rather paradoxical, isn't it? What's more, participants generally reported a boost in their overall well-being. They felt energized, healthier, and more in tune with their bodies. It's as if the carnivore diet unlocked a new level of health that they hadn't previously experienced. The researchers were careful to note, however, that these results might not be the same for everyone. Different bodies respond differently to dietary changes, and what works for one person might not work for another. These results certainly seem promising, but what does this mean for you? Well, as with any diet, it's essential to consider your own unique health needs and requirements before diving in. But for those who are curious and willing to experiment, the carnivore diet might just be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. If you're intrigued by the carnivore diet, here are some practical tips to get started. Firstly, dipping your toe in the water is better than diving in head first. Start by gradually increasing your meat intake while slowly decreasing your consumption of other foods. This will give your body time to adjust to the change, making the transition easier. Secondly, variety is the spice of life, and the carnivore diet is no exception. Don't limit yourself to just beef or chicken. Expand your palate to include other meats like fish, pork, and even organ meats, which are nutrient-dense and can provide a broader spectrum of nutrients. Thirdly, hydration is key. While on the carnivore diet, you may notice increased thirst as your body adjusts to a higher protein intake, so make sure to drink plenty of water to stay well hydrated. Fourthly, listen to your body. Each of us is unique, and our bodies respond differently to dietary changes. Pay attention to how you feel. If you're feeling great and seeing positive changes, that's fantastic. If not, it may be worth reassessing and potentially making some adjustments. Fifthly, don't forget about exercise. A balanced lifestyle isn't just about what you eat, but also about staying active. Regular physical activity complements the carnivore diet well, helping to maximize its potential benefits. Lastly, but certainly not least, consult with a healthcare professional. Although the carnivore diet has shown promising results in the Harvard study, drastic dietary changes should always be discussed with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current condition, ensuring that your dietary changes are safe and beneficial. In conclusion, transitioning to the carnivore diet can be a journey of discovery. It's not just about eating meat, but about understanding your body, your needs, and how different foods affect you. It's about making conscious choices for your health and well-being. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to dietary changes, so it's important to listen to your body. The Harvard study on the carnivore diet certainly offers some food for thought. This research has shed new light on the potential benefits of this diet, making it a topic of great interest for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. The carnivore diet, as we've discussed, is a diet that primarily consists of animal products. It's a nutritional approach that has gained considerable popularity, and the Harvard study aimed to delve deeper into its effects. A diverse group of participants were observed, all of whom had turned to this diet to address various health concerns or to simply improve their overall well-being. The study found that the participants experienced significant weight loss and improvements in chronic conditions. It's important to note, however, that this was not just a simple case of meat leading to weight loss. The participants followed a structured and balanced carnivore diet, which included a variety of animal products and excluded processed foods. In terms of practicality, the carnivore diet is relatively easy to adhere to. The study participants reported that the diet was straightforward and satisfying, and that it led to reduced cravings. But, like any diet, it requires commitment and discipline. And of course, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. However, while the results of the Harvard study are promising, they are not conclusive. More research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects and potential risks of the carnivore diet. This is a topic that is still evolving, and one that we will continue to explore. Health and wellness is a journey, and it's important to stay informed and open-minded. Whether the carnivore diet is the right path for you is a personal decision that should be based on your own health needs and goals. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights into health and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates.